Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. We are back with another hair video, and today I'm going to be showing you how I achieve these straight back braids at home. They're DIY with some braiding here that I have around, so it literally just cost me no money but a lot of time. And if you want to see how I achieve this style, the hair that I use, products that I use, then please keep on watching. Not sure how small I want to do this yet. I literally put no thought into this because I'm itching for some braids. The time is hot. I feel like it's perfect to give myself some straight back braids at least for like a week or two. So I just dig up in my stash to see if I could find some braids, and let me show you what I found. I remember I have this kind of like mix that I did ages ago. I can't remember the style that I was gonna do, but I ended up not doing it, and I pretty much just tied the hair in like a bunch here. So I'm gonna give it like a good blend, and then I'm pretty much gonna use this. I don't have any black hair on hand, so I'm kind of like forced to use the color, which I don't mind because it's just helping me to branch out at least a little bit, you know. And I do have these as well. I think the mixture that I have, I think it might be the one that's here, so it might be number 30 and 1B mixed together. I've got like half a pack of number 30 here, and I've got a number 4 in my hand, so the two of them gonna have to work if that I just showed you is not enough here. And of course, to help my braiding process to be a lot better, I do have a little bit of a setup here, and I have my organizer, which I'm going to organize my braiding hair before I start braiding. And I've also got a few tools that I'm going to be using as well. So I've got my wide tooth comb just to help me detangle, another comb, and a rock tail comb. This is the one that I'm going to use to part my hair, so I don't necessarily need this one. And then I have a few clips just to kind of help with my sectioning. My hair is not freshly washed. I literally, like I said, I literally just say I'm gonna do this to my hair. I washed my hair last week, and I've also ended up pressing it out as well, so my roots are straight, so the process should be easy for me. I'm not going to wash my hair. I'm not going to do any wash day right now. I just want a quick style that would last me for like a week or two. My hair is clean, so I don't feel like I need to go ahead and wash anything. I just feel like with my hair silk pressing out, London, the weather has been great, but it's been so humid, it's been so hot. I just feel like this will save me a lot of time. And I also haven't been swimming as well because my hair is out, so perfect to get this style done. So in terms of the products that I'm going to be using my hair, I'm just going to keep it to a minimum. I'm going to use the oil infused cream from Wakati to moisturize my hair, and I'm also going to use some leave-in conditioner from Braid as well. I do have this Cream of Nature edge control. I do prefer to use gummy wax, but I'm out of gummy wax at the moment, so I need to re-up on that. But I'm going to use this one in the meantime. And that's pretty much all the products I'm going to be using in my hair. And I'm going to use some mousse, of course, once I'm finished and I'm styling everything.
Give me one break, I need faith. Better believe it, better receive it. Give me something I'm lacking, I don't need nothing. You are my everything. Only me and you, only me and you, only me and you, only me and you, only me, only you, only me and you, only me and you, only me and you, only baby I'm not, baby I'm not, baby I'm not.
I'm finished doing one half of my head and I have the other half left. This is around 9 braids, and honestly it took me such a long time. At one point, did I get frustrated? Yes, I did, because I feel like the hardest part for me is the parting. I don't really have like my usual setup to really see the back, so I was getting frustrated with the parting. And when you're doing straight back braids, you kind of have to part the back of it a little bit smaller just so everything can hold in the back. But I ended up taking some of them out and kind of like make like a makeshift setup corner over the corner here. Let me show you guys, just so if you don't have like a 3-way mirror, you kind of know how you can set this up. I basically just put a mirror there, and that mirror, once I sit in it, I can see the back of my head through this mirror.
the past. Give me one break, I need to believe you, to receive you. Give me something I'm
My braids are
not.
finally done. This is what it's currently looking like. I've just hot watered it, so I'm going to do like my finishing touches, which is pretty much add my mousse. I also went in and used my scissors to kind of like trim it up a little bit as well, like the flyaways and stuff. But I'm going to use my mousse and my edge control just to kind of like tie things together nicely. I love the way they turn out. I feel bald, but I love that this is just perfect for how hot it is now, and hopefully this will just save me some time from combing my hair in the next week or two. Okay, it's time for the final reveal. I'm gonna take my headscarf off, and this is what my hair is looking like. I think they are super neat and I'm so happy with them. The only problem I had, guys, is the parting took me so long to do. I started at about after 4. It's about after 10 now, 3 past 10. So it took me a hot minute, and that's because I was struggling with the parting. If you do have a 3-way mirror, this will be so much easier, so much quicker. So if you're going to be doing this style, if you don't want to be frustrated as I was with the parting, definitely make sure you get a 3-way mirror to help you see the back of your head. But all in all, I feel like the Cornrows were the simplest part for me. I feel like any style that I do with my hair is normally the parting that is a little bit longer and a little bit more frustrating for me. But if you have the right tools, then it should be easier. So I have about 18 Cornrows going back and about 1 row of 4 plaits in the back. In terms of the amount of hair that I ended up using, you guys saw the hair that I had before. This is what I have left. By measurement, I'll say I probably used around half a pack of hair. Braids that I did, if you can see, they are very small at the end. They're not like super thick. So this is what they're looking like. I really wanted them to be super light on my head. I want, when I say have it down like this, it doesn't feel like I have anything on me, and I feel like these are perfect. I feel like I have literally nothing on my head. I think that's everything I need to tell you about these braids. If there's any questions that you have, you will leave them down in the comment section below. I know this wasn't necessarily a tutorial on how I Cornrow, but just to show you how I do the style of myself, or just to take you through the journey of me doing this style. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. If you like videos like this, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll be sure to catch you in the next one. Bye.